Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. New to stock, we have this Audi Q2 CoD S-Line, powered by a 1.4 litre TFSI engine and coming in a white paint. The colour is enhanced by the black window trims, C-pillar blade in matte titanium grey, front underbody guard and rear diffuser trim in selenite silver finish, the grey grille with chrome surround, and the 18-inch 5-spoke Y-design alloys finishing off the exterior perfectly. This Audi comes with a range of specification adding to the convenience and safety of every journey, including the LED headlights with LED rear lights and dynamic rear indicators, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times. We also have the factory fitted extra of the electrically folding door mirrors, which are also electrically adjustable and heated. To the rear of the car we have this boot space perfect for shopping and luggage, with the very convenient spare wheel just underneath the boot floor. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests and ISOFIX points on the outside too, as well as the USB charging points for the backseat passengers. When moving on to the interior of the car, you are greeted by the part two-tone cloth upholstery and black leather upholstery, brightening up the cabin of the car and pairing perfectly with the black headlining and matte brushed aluminium inlays, leaving the cabin looking sleek and stylish. We also have the S-Line branded door sill trims and the fixed panoramic sunroof, adding even more joy to these sunnier days. On the dash we have the black leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, helping you safely and easily control the central driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral, helping to create a safer journey. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 7-inch coloured MMI screen, featuring the likes of DAB digital radio, giving you access to a wider range of radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so you can always listen to your favourite playlists, satellite navigation for all those unknown roads, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone interface, and other car settings. Just below we have the dual zone climate controls, as well as the 3-way heated seats controls, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable in this forever changing British weather. Just below we have the MMI controls, as well as the electronic parking brake and the USB and aux ports underneath the armrest. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.